A day in my life as a Filipino wife, ambitiosa here in America. Today is Sunday, so my husband asked me to walk outside. So this is it. This is my first time together walking with my husband. This place is, I don't know, kapoy kay English, mura kang talat-talat guys. So, ano siya, naglibot-libot rami dito lang sa amuang area. So, first time, my husband asking me to walk like this. So, kaya nga, mag-English dahil, kay mura ka, buang. So, dito lang ito malapit sa amin. Nakalain ng Tagalog. So, this area, layo na po nalakaw, no. So, anak ko sa kong banana, nga take picture. Muna ganahan ko kay payat ko dari ang aside. So, stress kayo